If you're seeing Gmail error 451, don't panic. This usually means Gmail is temporarily unable to process your message, and in many cases, the fix is simple. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest steps to get your email sending again, and I'll also show you how to avoid triggering the error in the first place. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Gmail fixes and tech tips. First, the easiest fix is to wait and resend. Gmail error 451 is often temporary, so give it about 30 to 60 minutes before trying again. While you wait, refresh your Gmail inbox in your browser and check whether the message has already been sent or is still sitting in your outbox or drafts. You can go directly to mail.google.com, sign in, and open your inbox. After that, try resending the email. In many cases, your mail app or server may also retry automatically in the background, so it's worth giving it a little time before you keep clicking send over and over. Next, check your attachments. Large files are one of the most common reasons emails get delayed or blocked. Open the draft or the message you're trying to send and review every attachment. Make sure the total attachment size is under Gmail's 25 megabyte limit. If your files are too large, remove them, compress them, or upload them to Google Drive and send a share link instead. This is especially useful for videos, high-resolution images, and multiple documents all in one email. Now, let's check for spam triggers. Gmail may temporarily stop delivery if your message looks suspicious, especially if you're sending large bulk emails or the same message repeatedly. Try avoiding too many identical emails in a short period of time. Remove excessive links, shorten the message if it looks overly promotional, and avoid attachments that could be flagged as risky. If you're emailing several people, try sending to fewer recipients at a time and see whether that resolves the issue. Sometimes simply reducing the number of recipients is enough to get the email through. If you've already made those changes, resend the email one more time and watch for any error message. If it goes through, great, the issue is likely temporary or related to the message content. If it still fails, wait a little longer and try again later, because Gmail systems may still be throttling delivery for a short time. So to recap, wait 30 to 60 minutes and resend, check your attachment size, and make sure your message isn't triggering spam filters. Those 3 steps solve most Gmail error 451 problems quickly and safely. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Gmail troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.